If you sound robotic when you speak, it's probably because you are over-prepared. You've memorized every word, every pause, every gesture, and now it's not communication, it's a robotic performance. And people don't connect with perfection, they actually connect with presence, and presence often has those like little small things that just, it's a little bit different, and it just comes out naturally. And that means that you should know your content so well that you can let go of the notes and then just talk like a human. Now, structure does matter, but your tone, your energy, your authenticity matter more, even when you say a word slightly weird. So don't over-rehearse your words, rehearse your confidence.